Hello, friends. We all are here to find out a common way, and that is how to become a millionaire. We have been searching over the internet, and you and I both have one common thing. That is, we have been searching over the internet that how to become a millionaire. Point is, we are not able to believe on this fact that being a big industrialist or in order to become a big millionaire, we do need to have hard work and along with innovation. Hard work, first of all, let me come to the word hard work. Let me not make this speech very lethargy or very long, which you would not like to listen. So let me make it very compact and let me come to the point. First of all, let me brief you up with hard work and along with the right direction. Point is, in order to do something great in our life, we do need to do hard work and innovation. Innovation in the sense that innovation is nothing but let me define it for you. Innovation is nothing but a right application of the resources in the right manner. And what is hard work? Hard work is obviously nothing but it is just like doing the proper work in the proper direction along with the proper speed. Now we are not able to do that. If all of you or if some of you are serious that how to become a millionaire in your life, point is you must join me. That is, I am on a journey to find out new ways that how can we do hard work and how we can innovate in our life. Okay, if any one of you think that it is a joke going on, then please don't continue with this video. As I am just seriously moving on to the path how to become something great in my life. And I just need good and worthy friends over internet. If you are not serious, means that you are not ready to do the hard work and you are just on, you will continue to type over the internet that how to become a millionaire overnight. My friends, believe that it's not a true fact at all. I'm a middle class boy and obviously it's a fact that if you would have been a millionaire, why you would have come to this video? You are also middle class or lower middle class or upper middle class. So point is, why not to compact ourselves and why not to find out the resources, why not to do something integrated and its right application will make us something surely. So what I am going to do is I am just introducing a new concept in which all of us shall continue or we all of us shall continue with our long journey of being a millionaire. So what we have to do is I am just posting a link below this video so that you can contact me. What I am going to do is collect some of you, collect some people, collect some other people who will be able to either review or discuss new innovative business ideas. Now you don't have to worry that what kind of business ideas are going to be discussed or I am going to demand any kind of business idea from you. Point is I have plenty of them. You can contact me. I have to discuss with you. Point is, in order to get something in our life which we have never got, we have to do something that we have never done. So what we have to do is just review, just discuss the business ideas. Just for example, some of you are good at listening, some of you are good at communicating, some of you are good at doing various kind of work. So what I have to do is just integrate those resources and do something great. So in order to do something great, proper application of resources and along with the right direction is required. What I am going to do is just start with that process. So what my motive of this video is to create a talent hub. So, I will be reviewing your talents, you will be reviewing my talents. If even if you are not having anything, we will have discussions over the business ideas, its feasibility, technical feasibility, legal feasibility, and etc. etc. It is not having any kind of limited scope. Point is this. So, in order to do something great in your life, I think that you should give a try to this and just don't believe on those kind of rumors that can make you earn money by just clicking on any kind of website or watching any kind of ad. And if you are interested in those, then please, you are most welcome. It's your choice completely. But if you want to do something great and you want to try something different, contact me as I have posted my link below. I don't want any kind of likes or any kind of comments like all others. What my basic motive is completely real. If you are wanting to do something great, just come to me and we shall have a common contact. That's all.